Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Ravindra Talware. We have studied the atomic and molecular physics, semester 3rd, paper number 4. The next topic is spectra of single valence electron system, and then subtopic is spin orbit interaction. First of all, what do you mean by spin or orbit interaction? The lines of the optical spectra emitted by alkali elements shows a fine structure splitting which indicates that all energy levels such as P, D, F and G etc. are doublet. Expect those for L is equal to 0 means S level. This is due to spin orbit interaction acting on the optically active electron, that is due to the coupling between the magnetic dipole moment of the electron and the internal magnetic field it feels because it moves through the electric field of the atom. The definition of spin orbit interaction is the interaction energy is nothing but the change in kinetic energy of the system due to the presence of the electron around the field. What do you mean by spin orbit interaction? The interaction energy is nothing but the change in kinetic energy of the system due to the presence of the electron around the field. In the present section, we will study the interaction between an electron spin magnetic dipole moment and internal magnetic field of a one electron atom. Since the internal magnetic field is related to the electron's orbital angular momentum, this is called spin orbit interaction. Consider an electron of mass m, charge e, moving with velocity small v in a circular Bohr orbit of radius r. As shown in above figure. This is the spin orbit interaction. This is PL. This is the electron. This is radius of electron, and this is velocity of electron. This is mu l, vector mu l. This is current I, the surface area E. This is also current I. Okay, this is the electron moving with velocity v around the spin orbit interaction. The circulating charge constitutes the current I is equal to E upon T, where T is the period of revolution. V is the speed of electron. Therefore, T is equal to 2 pi r upon V. Put this value in this equation. This is equation number 1. Putting the values of T is equal to 2 pi r upon V in equation 1. Therefore, I is equal to EV. This goes to upside. EV upon 2 pi r. Okay. For current I in a loop area A. Current I in a loop area capital A. This area capital A. The magnetic dipole moment is given by mu L is equal to I into A. Therefore, mu L is equal to, what is the value of I? I is equal to EV upon 2 pi R. We have already solved. I is the EV upon 2 pi R. What is the value of E? Pi R square. This one R get cancelled. This pi get cancelled. Write the remaining values. Mu L is equal to EVR. EV remaining 1R. EVR upon 2. Okay. Then multiply and divide by M in above equation. Multiply and divide by M in above equation. Therefore, mu L is equal to E upon 2 M into MVR. Therefore, the angular momentum is PL is equal to MVR. The value of angular momentum is MVR. Then rewrite the above equation. Mu L is equal to E upon 2M into PL. This is equation number 2. Okay. Therefore, since the magnetic dipole moment mu L is anti-parallel to the PL or angular momentum as shown in figure 1. Therefore, in CGS unit, we write above equation is, in CGS unit, above equation write mu L is equal to E upon 2MC into PL. This is equation number 3. What do you mean by C? Where C is the speed of light. Okay. The next, vectorally vector mu L is equal to E minus of E 2MC into vector PL. The negative sign, this sign, which sign? Negative sign indicates that the magnetic dipole moment mu L is anti-parallel to PL. The negative sign indicates that these two are mu L and PL are anti-parallel. Therefore, mu L upon PL, rearrange the equation, mu L upon PL is equal to E upon 2mc. And therefore, mu L is equal to PL into E upon 2mc, or mu L is equal to L into EH upon 4 pi mc, since PL is equal to L into EH upon 2 pi. This is equation number 4 and this is equation number 5. The quantity EH upon 4 pi mc in EMU means electron mass unit represent the smallest constant value of mu L. Smallest value of mu L. In terms of this smallest value of magnitude of atomic and subatomic magnetic moments are measured, it is known as Bohr magneton. BOHR magneton. This value is called as Bohr magneton, and its value is 9.21 into 10 to the power minus 21 arg Oersted per Oersted, ORSTED. The value of Bohr magneton is 9.21 into 10 to the power minus 21 arg per Oersted in EMU, electron mass unit, or 9.27 into 10 to the power minus 24 joule. This is the arg Oersted value and this is the joule, unit joule, Weber per meter square in MKS unit. Okay, then the motion of the magnetic moment of a particle, atom or molecule about the axis of an applied magnetic field is known as Larmor precession. The magnetic moment sweeps out a cone about the direction of magnetic field, constant angular frequency as shown in next figure. Then this figure we have learned in next article. This is the spin orbit interaction.